guys. Alis kami ni Mr. Punta kami doon sa meat dealer at saka may bilhin kami yung pinabili ng kaibigan ko, tapos ihatid namin sa bahay nila guys. Tingnan ninyo, icy pa ang road guys, kaya takot ako mag-drive kasi parang yung wheels ko may hindi masyadong mag-grip sa snow. So ngayon kasama ko si Mr. Nandiyan na si Mr. Ang lamig guys, hindi ako nakapagdala ng scarf. Yan, it's a Tuesday afternoon. It's December the 29 na guys, so it's 1 day 30, then 21. Please be nice and be good to us. Yun, paalis na tayo guys. Yan na kami sa meat dealer. May bibilhin lang kami yung pang New Year namin na yung ihanda namin. Tapos bili ako yung may pinabili yung kaibigan namin. So see you later guys. Dito na kami guys sa Bolam's Meat Dealer. Yan, nakahat tayo. Malamig kasi guys. Hindi ako magdala ng bag kasi dyan na siya free ang bag. Mask, I'm gonna have to wear my mask first. Lagi kayang makalimutan ni Mr. mag-wear ng mask. Bumabalik siya. Maano na dito guys, dapat mag-ingat kami guys kasi may new variant kami dito guys sa UP. Hi guys, galing kami dyan sa Sainsbury's. May bumili kami ng konting groceries. Tapos naka-bargain tayo ng Christmas tree guys, £5. Doon guys from 20 siya, naging 5 na lang. Pauwi na kami guys. Uwi na tayo guys. Home time. Semester there, Mester. Ginawa ko daw si Mr. na donkey, taga-buhat ng mga, ano guys, yung mga groceries. Sabi niya, I'm just a donkey. Carrying all your groceries, sabi niya. Eh, minsan ako din naman ang magbitbit lahat. Ngayon, turn na naman ni Mr. Hala, yung ano natin guys, oh, ang tanim. Natin guys, oh, buhay pa rin siya. Yan. Yung hanging plants natin. Gagawa pa ko ng isa na to. So, bahay na tayo guys. Medyo yellow yung light namin. Hi, baby ko! Wanna say hi? Baby? Ang ingay ng bird natin. The bird is so loud.
3 hours later.
Welcome back to Filipina-Life in UK Gardena. If you're new, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you never miss another video on our channel. And today I'm going to be unboxing this
Lego.
Lego doll walker. A little bit. But we're just gonna unbox it from my dolly. Okay. There. And
You got the instruction.
so first of all I got this. And then these. And then a bottle.
You see the bottle? Wow.
A bottle and the toy and stuff and all that stuff. And then I've got this. So I don't know how to set it up.
It's,
Like,
what else you got in here? See, you got still some left.
oh yeah.
You still got that one.
Yeah, you can like and stuff. But these are the instructions, right?
So we'll put that
You
one.
need to like first step. You need to put like first step. You need to put like. Let's open these because you need them. Can you open them? Okay, so we're just emptying this, and then we're all ready to start. So first of all, you have to put like the little things right there and there and there. So like, how do I work this? Because it's like, it says, that's
Okay.
the first step.
First step is
can be. So I think this here.
Put this one like that.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
On, and the other one.
Yeah, you can do the other one.
You're the one that.
Okay.
Hmm.
I think you have to do it this way. Yeah. You need to really push it tight. There we go.
Okay.
Like-
What's next?
Okay, let's look on the instructions. Okay, we've done that. Number 3. Put the thing onto.
On the top of this. Yeah, we have the white one. You mean the white one over there?
Yeah. Okay, so we have to. So that goes there. That goes there. And then after that, if number 4, you have to put that to there.
Oh.
Right.
So the other way around, or that's.
I think it's the other way around. Kind of costly. And then number 5, you put like this little thing in here.
All right.
Okay, so let me put it there. There you go. And number 6, you put the bottle in here. And this needs batteries.
Oh, this needs batteries.
Yeah, so it can play music.
All right. So.
So that's all.
Sure. So take a.
Oh no! Just pick that up. Okay. And,
Is it too big?
no, it's just the wellies.
You wanna take the wellies off?
It's fine now.
Mm.
She needs her coat off.
Okay.
It's like it looks tight.
Get the coat off then.
And the wellies. 'Cause, like, they're